Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Cash App to Google Wallet in 2026. In order to do it, first of all, simply open your Cash App on your smartphone and ensure that you have logged in into your account. Now inside the Cash App application, you just have to tap on the card icon, which will be located in the bottom in order to view your card details. Now, if your card is not currently active, you will need to toggle the enable cash card switch in order to basically turn it on. Afterwards, you just have to select the add to Apple Pay button, which will be located beneath the image of the digital card. So this is going to basically initiate a secure link between the two applications and it will open the Google Wallet interface automatically. Afterwards, you just have to do nothing but to just simply open the link and then follow further on-screen prompts in order to personalize your settings. You will be asked to verify your identity using your fingerprints, your Face ID or Cash App PIN. So you need to review the terms and the conditions from the issuing bank and click on the option of the accept button in order to proceed. Afterwards, you just have to finalize your process by waiting or activating the screen to complete. You will see a digital version of the cash card appear here in your Google Wallet. So you need to feed it with the notification stating that it is ready for the contactless payments. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.